Start from here.
Name Hussain. Title Sayyid Shuhada, leader of martyrs. Kunyat Abu Abdullah, born 3rd Shaban 4th AH at Medina. Father Imam Ali ibn Abu Talib alayhi salam. Mother Bibi Fatima alayhi salam, daughter of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Martyred 10th Muharram 61 AH at Karbala. Buried in Karbala. Imam Hussain alayhi salam was the second son of Imam Ali alayhi salam and Sayyida Fatima alayhi salam. On the day he was born, Allah told Angel Jibrael to go and congratulate the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Imam Ali alayhi salam and Sayyida Fatima alayhi salam. On the way down from heaven, Jibrael passed an island where the angel Fitrus was sent to as a punishment for taking too long in doing something Allah has ordered. His wings had been taken away. Where are you going, Jibrael? Fitrus asked. Jibrael told him he was going to congratulate the Prophet ﷺ and his family on the birth of Imam Hussain ﷺ. Can I come with you? Fitrus asked. With Allah's permission, Jibrael took Fitrus with him. They congratulated the Prophet ﷺ, who Fitrus asked to touch the cradle of Imam Hussain ﷺ. As soon as Fitrus touched the cradle, his wings came back. He thanked the Prophet ﷺ. When he returned to heaven, all the other angels asked him why he smelled so nice. I'm the lucky one who has touched the cradle of Imam Hussain ﷺ. Fitrus replied. The Holy Prophet used to love Imam Hussain ﷺ very much. Moral, if you want something, it is better to ask through our Imams ﷺ, as they are closer to Allah than we are.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajah.